Got from the studio, we get some glitter, watercolor paper, some, I probably should get some, I'm trying to see if I should get the glue. Girl, we're gonna get a couple things here and then we're gonna go to the craft stores to get more. So I need tape, I need some pom-poms, I need some feathers because we getting real crafted today. So a few things up here before we go to the next spot. So we're getting some more supplies for the parasols. It's basically like a sun umbrella. We're gonna be decorating those today, so we getting supplies. That's the first thing we get in. Going kind of with a gold and white theme, I guess. That's the best materials I've been getting lately, and I think it'll look really nice. We're about to see what else we can find here. I can't get Starbucks. This is the only one they have. That's so crazy.
Once we get a coffee before we get there, it's not looking too good.
All they have is Starbucks, and I don't support them. Where's the Dunkin'? Where's the Dunkin' Donuts? Maybe I should just go to Red Bull.
That's it.
Red Bull just seems so hard.
You get 2 Red Bulls for $6. Just ordered a coffee from this technology, and they're making the drink right now. Apparently, that's scary.
This is hot tech. It's like they had this type of stuff in Japan and Tokyo, so I'm just getting used to doing it.
But it's scanned up phone, so she don't even have to pay. I already paid.
I say it's going good. Yeah, I think this is really even, so I'm glad we brought it.
Grandmother and grandfather's lineage, Ashe. So look, I need y'all to be a little bit more participatory. Y'all heard that word? Praise the Lord. I'm gonna say it again. Listen, everybody who knows Michelle Gibson, you know if you ever took one of my classes, I don't do well with people like sitting on the side observing. You know, in New Orleans, we don't have no observers in New Orleans, y'all. y'all must ain't been in New Orleans. They ain't been in New Orleans. In New Orleans, we don't do observers well. In the community, everybody is a participant. So listen, we're gonna give a tribute to Maze and Frankie Beverly. So if you wanna come out here real quick, I need all of my electric sliders. I need y'all to come on. Don't act brand new. Come on out here. Come on, people. Come on, come on. I said come on, y'all.
What people am I talking to right now?
An audience that may have never been able to interact with you before.
My name is Michelle N. Gibson, and I am the daughter of Reverend B.A. Gibson. I am the granddaughter of Reverend Dorothy Manheim. So I am covered in the cloth of black culture and black spirituality and black religion. I grew up in it, right? So I'm from New Orleans. So if you know anything about New Orleans is the birthplace of where a lot of our diasporic ancestry came to the port of Orleans. They brought all of these amazing ideas and concepts and music and sound and dances to the port of Orleans. And so I'm from that city that was able to receive this African, this perspective. And so I am who I am, unapologetically. And so I've been in Dallas, Texas since 2005. Hurricane Katrina is what shifted me here. Was I happy about it? No, but I'm thankful because today shows of the work that I've put in since 2005 in the Dallas community, bringing people and cultures together, bringing people of color together just to enjoy one another, right? Just to commune, just to sing and dance. And so this year, the 4th annual Culture, Brass, and Jazz in the Park, a collaboration and partnership between the New Orleans Original Buckshop and AT&T Arts Bridge, powered by Toyota. I am thankful for this moment. I hope that next year God continues to bless us, the ancestors continue to bless us, to bring more people to the forefront, because really, it ain't the politics that's gonna save the world, it's the culture that's gonna save the world. Ashe, and so it is.
So we ending the day with Wimpy's Burgers. We ain't never tried this joint before.
It looked like it's gonna be good though. It looked like an OG type of place. It look like if you live in Dallas, if you haven't ate here, then you're not from Dallas for real.